Hello, good afternoon. I'm Frederick Deguy, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Alix. I'm sure that, like me and a lot of men, when you have to buy some sweets, you have a problem. You never know where to go and how to do it and how to pay for that. So this is why we have created Alix. Alix is a solution to help you. It's a chatbot using an artificial intelligence, and it's our own technology. And it will help in a customized way men to shop. It's very easy to use. Just ask to Alix what you want, and Alix will find it for you. It will select, give you advice, and will, of course, help you to buy directly on the web or directly on a store with a store locator and a click and collect system. So what is the benefit for that? We have three main benefits, in fact. You will save a lot of time because we will give you a selection of very, very interesting products. We have a system which allows us to learn you. More you use it, and more the platform will know about your needs and your needs. And we are able to curate the best products for value. Our market, it's a very growing market, 14% per year, and our targets, it's the millennials, the men, and our core targets, it's specifically between 20 and 40 years old. We have today some figures to give you. We have more than 2 conversations per week per user. And each user, we have in each conversation 20% of conversion. It means that we have click on CTA and share locator request. And what is interesting is that after a week, when we send a push to our customers, 80% of that will come back for a new conversation. Our business model is very easy. As we want to stay totally independent from the brands and from the distributors, we don't have any commission on sales. The only revenue that we have, it's based on the service that we provide to the distributors and the brands. We have no direct competitors, in fact, because in this sector, all the brands and distributors are using the traditional channels, like media, like magazine, like press, like e-shopping. So we are, at the moment, the only one to provide such a service on the market. Alix is, in fact, not more than a chatbot. Alix is the next generation of fully integrated marketplace. We are able to provide to our product a full range of services, from recommendation to the final delivery. We are owning our own technology. We have developed our natural language technology processing through a laboratory in research based in France, in Lyon, and with the CNRS. So we are owning our technology, and this means that we are able to, in a natural conversation, to answer to nearly 98% of a conversation. This is the team today. I'm the CEO, there is Camille in charge of the product, and Lilian in charge of technology. In a few days, we will announce that we have raised 500K to start our first development in France. Of course, we are developing now in the other countries.
Perfect timing. Thank you.
Thank you. You mentioned you have your own natural language processing, but
yes.
How many languages do you support?
Today we have started with French, and why we have started with French is because it's more difficult to solve and to manage. Okay?
That's the reason why you choose your own technology versus Nuance?
Yes, yes, correct, yes. And this technology is already developed by the CNRS and the Lyris laboratory in Lyon. So it means that we have the ability to share this knowledge all around the world, because we are the only one to be able to sell it now.
You, as a man, you will help me to buy new clothes, but the men don't buy clothes so often, I think.
Yes, correct. That's why we're helping them. It's because when we want to buy a clothes, generally we have a problem. We never know where to go and how to do it, how to buy it, and at what price. So Alix is the simple way to help you in your purchase. In fact, you still have it in your pocket. When you want to have something, when you want to buy something, just ask him. And what is interesting in our system is that we stay in the conversation, and we are able to manage from the request, from the advice, down to the final purchase and the delivery. Okay.
So, how do you see your company maybe in 2 or in 3 or 5 years? So it's like the next Amazon, or?
Well, cross fingers. No. In fact, what we want to do is, as we now are managing the French, we will develop in the next 2 years English, Portuguese, and Spanish. Why this language is because if we if we manage the English, we will be able to reach the US and North American market plus the Indian market. If we manage Portuguese, we can start Alix in Brazil, and if we manage Spanish, we can do it in South America and so on.
How many users do you have right now, and for how long did you work with them?
So we have started the company 3 years ago. We have launched our solution 2 months ago. We have at the moment 30,000 users, and the basis is growing up to 100 users every day without any marketing investment. That's very important.
One last question, but very short.
Do you plan to open APIs for partners, or do you want to control your own vertical ecosystem?
No, we are able. No, we want to open it to other partners. The ways that we have made the choice to be specialized on the menswear is because we wanted to show to the market that we are able to manage our technology and that we have results. It's the best way. It's a better way for us to do it.
Thank
Okay?
you. Thank you
very
Frédéric.
much. Thanks.